Good morning, children. Today we'll continue with the human digestive system. As we have discussed earlier, that human digestive system is mainly consists of two main parts, alimentary canal and digestive glands. So first we'll take the alimentary canal. When we talk about alimentary canal, we all know that it is a 9-meter long tube. It starts from mouth. Mouth is the first part of the alimentary canal, or you can say that opening of alimentary canal is mouth. Okay, mouth and buccal cavity. And mouth has upper and lower lips which helps in sucking of liquid and closing or opening of mouth. So when we talk about mouth, what are the main thing present in the mouth? It is the teeth. Teeth is the main structure which is being present in the mouth. So we have in the mouth we have teeth, tongue and salivary glands. These are the main parts of mouth and buccal cavity. And first is teeth. Okay, how many teeth are there in our mouth? There are 32 teeth in our. So there are 4 types of teeth in our mouth: incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors, they help in biting of food. Why they help in biting of food? Because they have cutting margins. They help in biting of food. Then canines, they help in tearing of food. They are pointed teeth. These are pointed teeth. They help in tearing of food. Then premolar and molar, they are broad. They have broad surface. And they are used for chewing and grinding of food. So depending upon the nature of the organism, whether it's herbivorous, it's carnivorous, these teeth are further being modified. For example, these canines, they are well developed in carnivores or flesh eating animals. Why? Because they have sharp edges and they help in tearing of food. Premolars and molars, they help in chewing and grinding of food. So when we talk about these teeth, each jaw, we have upper and lower jaw. Each jaw has 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, 4 premolars and 6 molars. 3 on each side, 2 on each side, that is left and the right side, and 1 on each side, and incisors. So when we talk about arrangement of teeth in our jaw, it is known as dentation. Arrangement of teeth in our jaw is known as dentation. In human beings, these teeth are of 2 types: permanent teeth and milk teeth. Milk teeth appears after the birth. Okay, these are in the infants. These are the first set of teeth which start appearing from the age of 6 months. When a child is the age of 6 months, then these teeth, they start appearing. These are known as milk teeth. They start appearing at the age of 6 months. And these milk teeth. So when we talk about teeth in human beings have 2 set of teeth: permanent teeth and milk teeth. Milk teeth are in the infants and they start at the age of 6 months. They start appearing at the age of 6 months. How many milk teeth are there? There are 20 teeth. Okay, वैसे normally we say that there are 32 teeth in human beings, but milk teeth are only 20. They are without premolars. What is the main difference? That milk teeth, they do not contain premolars. They are temporary teeth. Okay, milk teeth are temporary teeth. How many milk teeth are there? There are 20 milk teeth. Permanent are 32, but normally it is 28. After 28, 4 teeth which are known as wisdom teeth. These are 4 molars called as wisdom teeth. They appear after the age of 18. Okay, milk teeth can be replaced by permanent teeth, but permanent teeth cannot be replaced. That's why we call milk teeth as the temporary teeth, and permanent teeth are non-replaceable. So what is the main difference between milk teeth and permanent teeth? Milk teeth start from the age of 6 months. Permanent teeth appear from 6 to 8 years of age. They are 20 in number. They are total 32 in number. 6 months, 6 to 8 years of age. They are 20 in number. They are 32 in number. Out of these 32, there are 4 molars which are wisdom tooth. They appear after the age of 18. They appear after the age of 18. Once they fall off, they can be replaced. So milk teeth, once they fall, they can be replaced. Whereas permanent teeth, once they fall off, they cannot be replaced. So when we talk about difference between milk teeth and permanent teeth, milk teeth, they start at the age of 6 months. They start appearing at the age of 6 months, and permanent teeth appear at the age of 6 to 8 years. Milk teeth, total number of milk teeth are 20 in number. Permanent teeth are 32. Out of these 32, 4 molars are known as wisdom teeth, and they appear after the age of 18. When a person becomes adult, after that these wisdom teeth appears. Milk teeth can be replaced. Once they fall off, they can be replaced, whereas permanent teeth, they cannot be replaced. So milk teeth can be replaced, whereas permanent teeth, they cannot be replaced. Second important structure present in the buccal cavity is tongue. So we all know that tongue is a muscular structure. Tongue is a muscular structure attached to the floor of mouth, and tongue has taste buds. So when we talk about tongue, so fleshy muscular structure known as tongue, which has taste buds. Its main function is it helps to taste the food. Main function of tongue is it helps to taste the food. When we are eating food, we say that it is sour, it is sweet, it is salty. That is because of the taste buds present on the tongue. Then it mixes saliva with the food during chewing. So tongue helps in mixing the saliva with the food during chewing, and this saliva will contain enzyme known as salivary amylase. Okay, it contains enzyme known as salivary amylase. It pushes the food, and tongue, another function of tongue is it pushes the food towards the teeth for chewing. It helps in swallowing the food, and it helps in speaking. So main function tongue, it tastes the food, helps in swallowing of food, and most important function is it helps in speaking also. So though in mouth and buccal cavity, teeth are present which helps in chewing and grinding of food. Then tongue, which has taste buds, which helps to taste the food, swallowing of food, and it also helps in speaking. So these are two main parts present in the mouth and